Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use a cool little piece of software. It's called JoyToKey, and it'll configure any of your joysticks that are supposed to use built-in Windows drivers. And I've already set up this a little bit, but just for demonstration purposes, I have my joystick that I bought from a thrift store for $3, and I couldn't find any uh, drivers for it anywhere. So I found this cool program that recognizes joysticks, and right now I'm controlling my mouse with my joystick, and I can just I can move it around. It's pretty basic. The reason why I use X minus 1, that'll move your, or X less than 0 rather, it'll move your mouse to the left. X-axis greater than 0, move your mouse to the right. Axis or Y-axis less than 0 will make your mouse go down, and Y-axis greater than 0 will make your mouse go up. So here I'll show you how to make it speed click. Is you just go to button 1, which in my case is my trigger, and here I'll just double click on this a couple times, holding down my trigger. And let's see here, it opened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of those in about 3 seconds, because it was lagging because my computer is kind of a POS. But here's Google. Let's go to a click game or something like that. So let's go click speed test. First one's always promising, right? Okay, so now let's wait for it to load, and let's just bump this setting up just a little bit. And hold down our trigger. Okay, that doesn't show you your clicks per second. So let's try this. Okay, 198, that's better, but Facebook. Now let's go to click challenge because I found that on Facebook. And oops. Yeah. That's the only problem with using your joystick for a mouse, is it kind of messes some things up occasionally. Alright, so first one, let's play and hold down our trigger. Here we go. $123 in 10 seconds, that's not bad. A lot of it's lagging the flash player, so let's try it again, holding down the trigger during the countdown. So that's 133.13 per second. And again, going 30 clicks per second doesn't really agree with Flash Player, so 134, that's pretty consistent. So, okay, anyway, that's how you use JoyToKey, and that's pretty much it.